Hello everyone. Next, try to make a frog. For this, I am taking the screen sheet of the paper and see I have made different shapes, oval, circular, and then I am going to paste them in a different order as shown here. With the help of the clay, I am going to just make the eyes. These look so fascinating and cool and add more beauty to our painting. This is so simple and easy. Just go for this one. We will next try to show you how we can make a wristband, and this time we are going to make use of the theme of the sun. Sun is the ultimate source of the energy. It gives us both heat and light, and today we are going to just make a wristband out of the sun. For this I am making use of the two different sheets, that's the mustard and the yellow color, and then I am going to add features like the eye smile and the blush or the tint area around the cheeks. This looks so cute. Next, try to make a cool funky toy. For this, you may need some of your time and some of your energy and some different colorful sheets of the paper. You may also require a disposable cup as well. And this activity is very simple and easy. Just give it a try. See how we are doing. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. You just have to make the curves for the hair area. This toy looks so cute and nice. It's somewhat inspired from the hand look because we are going to add some of the features that are similar to the head. This activity is so simple. Glue is also required. You can make use of the glue gun also. We will next show you how we can make the chick. For this I am taking this double-sided tape and this yellow sheet of the paper. Then you just have to see how I am trying to make the body of this chick. In the background we are adding some of the carrots. For this we are making use of the orange sheet of paper. Thank you.